Good day, everyone. My name is Benedict Tonga, BS ECE 3A, here to discuss my assignment number 2 in ECE 36, Digital Electronics 2, Microprocessor and Microcontroller Systems and Design. Here in assignment number 2, we will have a comparison between the Arduino UNO R3 clone and the Arduino UNO R3 original made in Italy. Well, as you can see, they have the same USB cable, which is the CH340G, the same microcontroller, which is the Atmega 328P, while in the clone is a 328P AU. They have the same operating voltage, which is 5 volts. Input voltage that is recommended is 7 to 12 volts. Input voltage limit 6 to 20 volts. Digital input-output pins 14, of which 6 provide PWM output, same as in the original. The analog input pins, which is 6, same in the original. The DC current per input-output pin is 40 milliamps for the clone, while in the original it's only 20 milliamps. But the original and the clone have the same DC current for 3.3 volt pin, which is 50 milliamps. They have the same flash memory, which is 32 kilobytes, of which 0.5 kilobytes used by bootloader. They have the same SRAM, 2 kilobytes, and EEPROM, as well as the clock speed, which is 16 MHz. Now, as you can see, they're almost identical in nature. The difference is, of course, the color. The original is made in Italy. And you can also see the chipset, which is the Atmega 328P. Here in the original, if you shorted the board, you can just replace this chip. While in the clone, if you made the mistake, your whole board will be destroyed. Now, that is the advantage of the original. What is the advantage of the clone is that, as you can see the holes here, you can permanently solder wires in the clone board, while in the original, you cannot see those holes, which can be used to solder wires. As you can see, both sides have holes. This one has that. The only advantage of the original is that the chipset can be interchangeable. Now let's get to the next slide. Now here we will see the back view of each board. This is the clone, and this is the original. As you can see, the clone has a little shadier what do you call this, soldering, while the original has a very good soldering patterns, as well as design. As you can see, since this is a cheap board, that they did not put some budget in the designing, but the functionality of both boards are almost exactly identical. The advantage of the clone is that it is a 1/10 of the price of the original. As you can see here, wait, this is me and this is my board. I bought my board at Shopee at 140 pesos. The original board, which was made in Italy, this one, you can also buy it on Shopee for almost 1,000 plus pesos. So it's 10 times the price of the clone. Well, that is my report. Thank you for listening and have a good day.